Ever wondered what's going on inside your feathered friend's mind? Birds have a secret language that they use to communicate with us. Today, we'll be decoding the mysteries of your bird's behavior and what your bird is actually trying to tell you. The language of feathers. Start with the basics. Feather shaking, preening, and fluffing can mean different emotions. When your bird is happy, it will often preen and keep its feathers sleek. It's like your bird putting on its best suit for a special occasion. However, if it's all fluffed up, that might be a sign of discomfort or a cold. It's your bird's way of telling you that something's not quite right. Imagine it as its version of a cozy blanket on a chilly day. Vocal vibes. Now let's talk about vocalizations. Your bird's chirps, squawks, and melodies are its way of expressing emotions. Think of it as its unique song, just for you. Cheerful chirping usually means your bird is satisfied and in a good mood. It's like it's singing a happy tune. But if you hear a loud squawk or screech, it could be a call for attention or even a warning. It's like your bird's way of shouting, "Hey, pay attention to me." Body language matters. Birds use body language to tell you how they feel. Pay attention to your bird's posture. It's like their silent communication. A puffed up bird might be anxious or sick, like it's trying to make itself appear larger to scare off a potential predator. On the other hand, a relaxed, upright stance often indicates your bird is at ease and comfortable in its environment. Wings flapping and tail talk. Wings flapping and tail movements are like your bird's version of sign language. If your bird flaps its wings or shakes its tail, it's like they're showing off or trying to impress you. It's their way of saying, "Look at me, I'm fabulous." Think of it as a little fashion show right in your living room. They just want to steal the spotlight for a moment. Beak actions. Lastly, what they do with their beaks actually says a lot. Light nibbling can be a sign of affection. It's like they're giving you tiny kisses, showing they care about you. On the other hand, aggressive pecking may indicate territorial behavior. It's their way of saying, "This is my space, back off." It's basically a warning sign that lets you know they want their personal space respected.